We're gonna be delayed at Congress and Detective.
Did you let it up? You stop.
Stopping now. Turn the car off. Car off. Step out. You're out. You're coming out. Sorry. Turn around, George. I'll take this from you. George, turn around. Turn around, face the car. Okay. Okay, George. George, we're gonna have a little talk. Right now, you're under arrest for theft. Okay. You just left Best Buy. Right? Okay. Is there anything in the car that I need to be aware about before we go through everything?
I mean, I don't know. Maybe.
You don't know, maybe. Let's be honest. Do you have anything in the car you need to be aware about or no?
I'm sorry. I'm not talking very good English.
Okay, that's fine. Well, I'll help you out.
Yeah.
Is there anything in the vehicle
Yeah.
that I need to know about before I go through your vehicle?
I mean, nothing wrong, I think. Yeah.
Nothing wrong, you think.
Yeah.
It's either you know, you do, or don't. That's fine.
I mean,
You go. Just put them in your car. No, put them in your car. Let me. I gotta make a phone call and everything, and type something up.
You don't have anything?
Anything else?
no, I don't have any.
Your identifications in your bag?
Yes, of course.
Okay. All right.
Can I take my phone or not?
Stay right here.
No, I'm not going to run anywhere. So.
Did you already
It's first time with me.
I'm gonna go back to Best Buy, talk to Sean to see if anything additional. If one of you guys can do a VSR,
All right.
I'll have all the other paperwork ready when I come back.
Okay.
All right?
I'll start on the BSR.
See the RO?
I don't know. What's his name?
Frank said he's going 1 to 3, the 14th one.
What do you need from me?
I just took photos.
Okay.
And then Frank asked for a picture of all the stuff that was in the pack.
Okay. Where is that, Frankie? Wants to go?
He's at
The store? Okay. Gotcha. So he's been working this?
And then he already had a case on it.
Oh, so okay.
And then I guess the guy came back, so we came over.
All right. Did they call him or something? Okay.
So
All right. What's up?
Sorry, can you help me? I'm just my blood is
Talk to me. What's going on?
no, my blood is not circulating good. So
Where?
in my hand, so it's first time with me.
Okay, hold on. What you're saying? It's too tight?
It's too tight.
All right. Campbell, is this your car?
yeah.
Can you unlock it? He's saying it's cutting his circulation. I'm gonna check the cuffs. Huh? Okay.
Guys, if I did something wrong, just tell me. So
Right,
I
I'm not talking to you
I
right
mean,
now. I'm just gonna check your cuffs.
Okay, because
So,
it's too tight.
all right. Yeah, you want to put another set on?
Guys, don't worry.
We're gonna put 2 cuffs on you, okay? So do me a favor, step out right here, turn around and face away from me.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God.
You got it. Okay.
If anyone could tell me what's happening.
We're gonna explain everything to you.
Yeah, please, yes. Because it's first time with me. You can check her out. I'm not
All right.
criminal.
Want to get one on there?
Phone number? 212.
Okay. All right.
Guys, so I'm a. Oh, it's so strange.
All right, hold on. Let me lock them so they don't tighten. Yep.
I cannot say it's good experience, but it's the first time for me.
Okay. Have a seat now. Just
Thank
have a
you
seat.
very much.
All right, yep.
Yeah.
Wait,
Hold on.
before you take a seat.
Oh, the watch. We're just gonna take that off.
Yeah.
What properties?
All right, have a seat.
Okay, thanks. What's happened?
We're gonna explain everything to you.
We're gonna
All right.
explain.
With the other officer, okay? So just hang tight. We got a 70 coming. Or you don't know yet?
No, we haven't started.
Okay. All right. I'm still on.
John, I already took photos of everything. You did? I just didn't open the back yet. Okay.
You want to open it?
Is there a back truck opening station?
I got it. Just a cooler and...
I don't know if these are.
Huh?
I don't know if that's Best Buy or not.
Oh, I don't know. Sorry.
Take a picture of that. Rear.
Is that for 193?
Their back trunk?
Yeah, the stuff back there before it's moved or anything.
Copy, any injuries? Both available. $16, $18.
It's a charging thing.
Yeah, it's a USB charger. Yeah.
11-0, West Mall. 11-0, go. Alright, on this call is fine. Just give me a new case number, and I have a 1015. Case number is going to be 17113, 17113. 1107, what would I?
All right, this is Officer Frank Nelly with West Palm Beach Police Department. Today's date, Friday, November 7th. Current time is 11:14 in the morning. We're at 1880 Palm Beach Lakes, Best Buy. I'm with the LPO, Ms. Hilton. Reference case number 2517113. Ms. Hilton, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. Bring it back on an incident that occurred on 11/5 of 2025. You called the police department. Do you remember that date?
Yes.
All right. Tell me what happened.
So around 4:05, I recognized the suspect purchasing some items. I immediately called you to swing by the store. Once he left, I followed him. While I was on the phone with you, I was giving you a description of his vehicle. When you were able to catch up to him, I had to go back on footage to see what he had stole, because his previous thefts, he would purchase something small, but before then steal a bunch of stuff. So I later found out that he did steal or concealed a few hard drives. You confirmed the items that he stole once you pulled them over. After that, I did a visual ID where I confirmed it was the same suspect from the other two cases, and yeah.
Okay. Just to clarify a few things, the subject that came in that previously stole, there were already active cases.
Yes.
Okay, and I worked on the cases with you. So there was probable cause. You already picked them out of a photo lineup previously. Right. Okay. So when you said visually, you were actually face to face. You saw him.
Yes.
And was wearing. You were on the phone with me. You witnessed him exit the store past all points of sale.
Yes.
After he purchased a few items.
Right. Went
into his vehicle. You notified me, and then you gave me a description of where he actually left the parking lot and where he was turning.
Right.
And then I was on the phone with you. I said I got the vehicle. You left. You went back, I guess, in your surveillance, just kind of backtrack to see if he took any additional items.
Correct.
We verified that those items were taken.
Yes.
At this time, you said you actually, we did a show up, correct? So an officer came here to the store, picked you up, brought you to the scene where we stopped him, and you were able to by his face. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And then we have those items. That was reference case number 2517113.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. All right. This concludes the tape statement portion of it. Current time is 11:17 on Friday, November 7th of 2025. Is there anything I didn't ask you that you wanted to add to your statement?
Nope, that's it.
Okay. And just to verify, Best Buy wishes to prosecute, correct?
Correct.
Okay. This concludes our tape statement.